Hello, I'm Gaia Vince and I want to tell you about my new book, Nomad Century, which is out in the UK and in the US in these two beautiful covers. What cannot have escaped your notice that we are all experiencing climate change now. Wherever you live, we've had extreme heat or drought or flash floods or crop failures, landslides, melting glaciers, the lot. Some of us have experienced multitudes of these. Now, we are having to mitigate our carbon dioxide emissions, reduce the global greenhouse gases that we are producing, which are heating the planet and causing this problem. We're also having to adapt. We're having to change our houses, sometimes put in air conditioning, put heat pumps instead of burning gas and other fossil fuels. Mitigation and adaptation can only take us so far. What no one's really talking about is there are large parts of the population in large regions of the world who will not be able to adapt as the world continues to heat this century, and it's going to get a lot hotter. Those people are going to have to move because they are living in places which will become unlivable. Either sea level rise will take away their coastline and their houses, flooding will eliminate the buildings that they live in and the landscapes, or heat will just make it unbearable for them to stay or harvest their crops, carry out their normal jobs. What are we going to do about that? Well, Nomad Century is my pragmatic, optimistic take on how we can build a world that works around this horrific climate change situation that we're facing these coming decades, this century. And what it suggests is a managed mass migration of people from uninhabitable regions in the tropics to the demographically challenged cities of the far north. It means new cities will have to be built. It means existing cities will have to be expanded. But these cities can be vibrant, economically productive places to live, because at the moment in the far north, what we're facing is actually a demographic shortage. People just aren't having enough babies to support the aging population. Immigration would solve that, but only if it's managed and only if it's planned around new cities that are architecturally designed for the hotter climate that we're expecting, the more extreme weather. And at the same time, we have to transform totally the way we live our lives, the way we produce our food, what we eat, the way we power our homes, our transport, where we live, how we live, and the natural world. We have to restore nature, the health of our natural planet, so that we're not in this situation by the turn of the next century. Well, I think this is a much needed conversation to have. People are not talking about what happens when people cannot adapt to climate change. We need to start talking about it now. You may not agree with all of my conclusions, all of my solutions, but please do start thinking about these issues. Get the book Nomad Century and start a conversation, start talking about it. Thanks.